This here is my project car, and in here are a bunch of cleaning products. And in this video, we're going to see which one of these cleaning products helps clean rust the best, and which one does I will be using on my car. So in today's video, we have 3 different types of cleaning products. We have the Pink Stuff Cream, the Pink Stuff Paste, and the Pink Stuff Spray. Now I've heard the Pink Stuff is good. People have been finding multiple different uses that they can use the Pink Stuff for. So I've picked these up and we're going to be testing it on 3 different parts of the car which have different types of rust. So we'll be using one product on each different type. We're going to be keeping it on there for about an hour and then we will clean it off and we will see how well it has cleaned the rust. So right here with the foam balancing on the skateboard, we have the 3 products here. We're going to be using one of them on the wheel. Which one should we pick for the wheel? I think we're going to pick the paste. Let's start with the paste for the wheel. As you can see, the wheel is very rusty around here. It's rusty in the middle, and even the bolts are rusty as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a sponge, I'm going to get a bit of the Pink Stuff on it, and I'm going to rub it in and leave it for a little bit, and then wash it off with clear water because that's what it says to do. And hopefully that wheel will look different. Of course I'm going to take a before and after photo which I'll be able to show you once the process is done, and hopefully that will look good. That's one wheel covered with the Pink Stuff Paste, and now it's time to go on to the next part of the rusty car to use one of these 2 products. So now the next part of my rusty Seicento I've chosen to go for is this bit here. As you can see, I've used the metal wire brush thing already and taken some off, and there's still some a bit on. So the plan is to use the Pink Stuff Cream, and we're going to put that on there. And let's see, after 1 hour, how well it does. That is 2 out of the 3 covered. I did spill a tiny bit, but oh well, don't worry about that. We will come back to that one in an hour. But now it's time to use the Pink Stuff Spray, but where are we going to use it? Now I've heard the Pink Stuff is really good at cleaning... Now I've heard the Pink Stuff Spray is really good at cleaning grime, but how well is it good at cleaning up that bit of rust there? Such a random bit of rust, but... should we go for it? Yeah. Maybe a little too much, but we'll come back in an hour and see how it is. So that is all that's needed to be done for the next 1 hour. And right now I'm going to ask you to put in the comments below which one do you think is going to work the most. Is it going to be the paste, the cream, or the spray? Personally, I think it's going to be the cream. I don't know why, I just have more hope for the cream than the paste and the spray. The spray is good, I've heard it's good, so I do have hope for the spray. I think the paste isn't going to do as good as I want it to, but then again, I've heard so much positive things from friends about the paste, so... that's my personal opinion. What is your opinion? Put it in the comments below before we come back here in an hour and check it out. So 1 hour later, we are now back at the car, and as you can see here, I think this paste has definitely penetrated it. Anyway, we've got some warm water here, just normal clear water, and we're going to take this coat off and we're going to see how it looks. Okay, so this is Pink Stuff Paste, which has actually done quite a lot of work on the wheel just after, it was just over an hour. And yeah, there's still a lot of rust on here, which I do understand, but it's done a massive job for me, which means taking it off with the metal wire brush is a lot easier than what it was. The water has also come out absolutely rusty. It's a rust-coloured water, which isn't great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and empty this water, clean it out, and then we're going to go and start on the next bit of rust, which will be the cream, the Pink Stuff cream, which we'll have a look at. And let's see if that has done as good a job as the paste has. Now it's time to check on... Oh, wow, look at that. Okay, I can already see it's done some penetration work. So time to use the nice clean water and clean it off and see how it comes out. So that's how it's come out, and well, I'll definitely say it looks a lot better. When I was washing it down, I could see that rust flakes were falling off it. Yes, it has done a really good job. It has not done as good as the paste, so that's a bit unfortunate, but the cream has still done a good job. Yes, it's still a little damp, so I'm going to have to wait for a little bit more to dry to see the full results. But overall, it's not done as good as I wanted it to, which is a bit unfortunate, but it's not the end of the world. It's something that I would still use, I don't think it'd be my go-to thing. Last but not least, we have the sprayed down area. Oh wow, I can already see it's done some work. In fact, it's dry. However, I'm still going to give it the same treatment that I have given everything, all the Pink Stuff products. And this here is actually a Pink Stuff product, this metal wire soft thing. It came in the Pink Stuff paste kit, so that's why I'm using it, because it's the thing that Pink Stuff provided. So I'm going to just wipe it down, and then I'm going to dry it down, and let's see how much different it has come. So this is what the Pink Stuff spray has done. It has cleaned up the rust a bit, hasn't done a great job, has not done anywhere near as good as even the cream or the paste. But what do you expect for a spray? It's a spray, it's not really meant for cleaning rust or deep rust anyway, a situation like this. But I still think it's done a good job, just not as good as I would have liked it. So all in all, what have I learnt from this Pink Stuff experiment? Well, the paste has done a lot better job than I thought. The spray hasn't done as good as I thought, but it's not the end of the world. And the cream's mediocre. I thought the cream was going to be the best. I don't think it is the best, because you've seen how much was taken off that wheel. Like, that's done unbelievable. I just spoke to one of my friends, and they said if I put it on another coat and keep on for a couple of hours, then maybe it might do a good job. Like, it's done a good job anyway, but I mean, remove the rest. I mean, the rust removal has done amazing anyway. When I go at it now with the metal wire brush, it saved me so much time. So, yeah, that's what it's done so far, and thank you for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, then please give this video a thumbs up. Do I recommend Pink Stuff? The Pink Stuff paste, yes, I do recommend. The cream, I do recommend, probably not on deep rust like I put it on. Maybe on something smaller, maybe even dilute it with the paste and put it on the wheel, or you know, smaller surface rust, not as deep as what I put it on originally. The spray, yes, I do recommend the spray. I recommend it not for this, but for grease, because it is good for grease. In fact, I'm not going to lie, I have used it on the front door, because the front door had a few marks and that, so I have cleaned up the front door of the house. yeah, the spray is definitely good, just not for rust. So do I recommend it for rust? No. Okay, so this is just a jump in the video real quick. I'd just like to take something back. So when I said the spray wasn't good for rust, looking at those photos, actually it did a pretty good job. So yeah, I would recommend the spray for rust. The cream, going back to it now, yeah, I would recommend the cream. The cream has done a lot better than I actually realised. I was just being arrogant, I guess, because I wanted it to do a really good job. I do recommend the paste massively. I recommend all the products, to be honest. The spray's actually done really well on the rust, and actually so has the cream. Yes, maybe if I switched them over and used the cream on where the spray was in the spray, who knows? Who knows? But this is the experiment I've done, and actually, yes, they've done a really good job. So I just wanted to jump in the video and carry on with the video for the last few seconds. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos, as the moment we are on lockdown in this country and I'm doing videos on my, my Seicento. So yes, adios my mis amigos, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.